Dito ko sisimulan ang aking content sa labas ng Holiday Inn Hotel, Cebu. Ang Holiday Inn Hotel Cebu is 3 blocks away from Ayala Shopping Center. It might be 7 to 10 minutes walk to and from the shopping center and the hotel. Ang Holiday Inn Hotel ay naka-rated as 4 stars hotel. Ang hotel lobby is not that big. Nag-expect ko na medyo maganda tingnan, but not exactly what I expect as 4 stars hotel. Very simple, upuan, then front desk. May chandelier but I don't know if that's a chandelier or ilaw lang ba na nilagyan ng decorative art at konting lobby space. Ang hotel lobby ay may dalawang small elevator and I think only 3 guests plus luggage cart ang kasya dito. During my reservation and booking online, nag-request ako ng higher floor for a city view facing Ayala Center skyline. Upon checking in, sinigurado ko talaga na makuha ko ang aking requested floor na higher floor and room facing Ayala Center. Kasi depende yan sa availability. At sabi sa front desk, 19th floor ang aking room reservation. And here we go, 19th floor. At ito ang aking room. Malinis at halatang bago pa ang floor carpet at ang wall decorations kasi ang hotel na to ay less than 8 years pa lang. A very small room, literal small bed, literal single bed, parang pang kids room. At hindi ko alam kung may mali ba during sa aking reservation online. Or ganito ba talaga ang kanilang rooms, maliit at literal single bed, literal small room. As my requested view during my reservation and booking online and upon checking in. At ito na siya, the panoramic view of Ayala Business Park. Ang liliit sa bed, ang single lang talaga siya, as in single, as in super liit. Sa dami-dami kong napasukan na hotel, ito lang siya ang pinakamaliit na hotel. Ito as in sigip na sigip, ang liit na liit pa. Yung bed is, tingnan nyo, sobrang liit yan. Hindi ko alam kung may mali ba ang aking online reservation or ganito ba talaga kaliit ang bed nila. Take note, 4 stars hotel ang Holiday Inn Hotel Cebu. At ang room rate nila is pang 4 stars hotel. Therefore, mahal ang room rate nila. Ang rooms ay may basic amenities, TV, fridge, small table, safety box and luggage counter. It's a very small bed. Mahulog ka pag umikot ka, mahulog ka na. Ang liliit sa country. Ito lang na hotel ang pinaka so far sa na hotel na pasukan ko, ito lang na hotel ang check-inan ko na super liit ang bed nila. Single talaga, literal single. Kung umikot ka, mahulog ka na. Kung umikot ka pakaliwa, mahulog ka na rin. Very, very small. Dito na lang tayo babawi sa window view nila. Ito ang number 1 requested ko during online booking. Mahabang paningin mo habang nakatitig ka sa skyscraper sa Ayala Business Park. Ang comfort room nila at ang shower room nila ay malinis. The same thing, small space, pero okay na. Pero kung dalawa kayo dito, masikip na, pero in fairness, sobrang linis ang CR nila. At bababa tayo at mag-breakfast. Ang breakfast nila ay nasa 7th floor. Ang hotel floor hallway nila ay malinis at mukhang bago ang carpet. At shout out pala sa housekeeping. Good job. Ang breakfast nila ay depende sa room rates. May room rates na may breakfast at may room rates na without breakfast.
I'm going for breakfast on 7th floor. So,
Ang restaurant nila at ang swimming pool ay magkatabi. Pwede ka mag-breakfast by the pool or sa loob ng restaurant. Ang breakfast nila ay maraming food choices. At ang best nila ay habang kumakain ka, ay nakatingin ka sa city view, panoramic view of Ayala Business Park. At dito tayo babawi. Kakain tayo ng marami. At habang kumakain tayo, busugin din natin ang ating paningin dito sa magandang tanawin sa Business Park. At pwede na rin meeting new friends and making chismis.
What you can also do was heavy snacks.
Ang swimming pool nila ay overlooking din sa Business Park. Although hindi kalakihan, pero good for the kids. If you have the kids, you can swim with your kids and enjoy the scenery of Business Park. And your kids will love this pool. At ito ang aking Holiday Inn Hotel experience. A 4 stars hotel, expensive hotel because of the 4 stars rating. If you don't care about the small rooms, small beds, but the city view is good, a 4 stars rating, expensive small rooms, this hotel is for you.